Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Which section of the CRPC allows the Supreme Court to transfer criminal cases between high courts? Section 406, Section 309, Section 302 or Section 321? The correct answer is option A, Section 406. Recently, in the Messrs. Shri Sendunagro and Oil Industries Pranav Prakash versus Kotak Mahindra Bank case, the Supreme Court let down the instances in which the trial could be transferred. Section 406 of CRPC empowers the Supreme Court to transfer any criminal case or appeal from one high court to another high court or from a criminal court subordinate to one high court or to a criminal court subordinate to another high court. Next, under which article does the Constitution of India provide provisions for preventive detention? Article 19, Article 21, Article 22 or Article 25? The correct answer is option C, Article 22. Recently, in the Joy Kitty Joseph versus Union of India and others case, the Supreme Court overturned a preventive detention order against an alleged main participant in a gold smuggling ring. The Constitution of India 1950 contains provisions related to preventive detention under Article 22. Next, under Section 45 of the BNSS, a police officer is authorized to pursue a person into which location? Only the police station, only their home, any place in India or outside India? The correct answer is option C, any place in India. Section 45 of the BNSS deals with the pursuit of offenders into their jurisdictions. It states that a police officer may, for the purpose of arresting without warrant any person whom he is authorized to arrest, pursue such person into any place in India. Next, Section 6 of the BNS applies to the calculation of which type of punishment? Death penalty, imprisonment for life, fines or community service? The correct answer is option B, imprisonment for life. Section 6 of the BNS deals with the fractions of terms of punishment. It states that in calculating fractions of terms of punishment, imprisonment for life shall be reckoned as equivalent to imprisonment for 20 years unless otherwise provided. Next, how many types of punishments have been mentioned under Section 53 of Indian Penal Code 1860? 6, 4, 5 or 7? The correct answer is option B, 4. Section 53 of the Indian Penal Code deals with the punishments. It states that the punishments to which offences are liable under the provisions of this code are: first, death; second, imprisonment for life; fourth, imprisonment which is of two descriptions, namely rigorous, that is with hard labour, and simple; fifth, forfeiture of property. Now it's time for the practice question. A offers bribe to B, who is a public servant. B refuses to accept the bribe. A is punishable in IPC under Section 114, Section 135, Section 136 or Section 137. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.